Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to give a presentation on migration of birds. This presentation is made by me, Ramit Kumar Mandal, Jogita Saravgi, and Sukant Rai, student of MCKBI, second year CSE department as an environmental science project. Now moving to the content. Here we will be discussing 4 topics. Number 1, some popular bird migrations. Number 2, threats to migration. Number 3, their consequences. And number 4, how to prevent these threats. Now from here, my fellow teammate Sukant will be continuing. Sukant, what to you?
Thank you, Roman. As we all know, birds' voices are the pleasant sound that we all want to hear every morning. It gives us a fresh morning vibes and gives us energy for the whole upcoming day. So it is our responsibility to maintain their position in our nature and act accordingly. As an introduction, we all need to know first what is migration. It is a process where animals move to a new location. Not only birds, but also other animals to migrate due to certain circumstances. But why birds migrate? What is the need of migration? Birds migrate mainly to get a proper ecological condition for their living. It includes feeding, breeding, and raising their young. And for that, they travel hundreds and thousands of kilometers, which make avian migration a astounding miracle of nature. As an interesting fact, the Arctic tern has the longest migration of any bird in the world. These black-capped red-billed birds can fly more than 49,700 miles in a year, making a round trip between their breeding grounds in the Arctic and the Antarctic, where they spend their winters. The lucky birds get to see 2 summers a year. And over its lifespan of more than 30 years, the flights can add up to the equivalent of 3 trips to the moon and back. At least 4,000 species of birds are regular migrants, which is about 40% of the total number of birds in the world. And from among these, 1,295 species arrive in India during Deepavali and return during Holi. Now we will be showing few of those popular bird migrations happening in India. Number 1, Great White Pelican. Great White Pelican breeds in Western Mongolia and Eastern Europe. It travels to Rajasthan, Gujarat and Sikkim. It travels a distance around 6,227 kilometers in its migratory journey. Number 2, Demoiselle crane. Demoiselle crane's breeding grounds are Central Asia. It migrates to India in a vast flock of 1,000 to 3,000 birds together. Its specialty is it can fly at a height of 13,000 feet. Averagely, it flies at a height of 6,000 to 7,000 feet. It travels 400 to 500 miles per day in its migratory journey. Number 3, Siberian crane. Siberian cranes breeds in northern Russia and migrate to Iran, India, and China. Sometimes they skip India in their winter migration journey. They covers around 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers journey in this process. Number 4, blue-tailed bee-eater. It is a common bird in the most places of India during the winter. It mostly breeds in South and Southeast Asia and comes to India in the winters. Number 5, Amur falcon. Amur falcon is the smallest falcon in its kind. It breeds in Siberia and migrates to southern Africa. In its path, it crosses northeast India. It can be seen in Doyang Lake in Nagaland. It travels around 20,000 kilometers of flight path across the Indian Ocean. Number 6, peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon can dive with a speed of 390 km per hour, which makes it the fastest animal on earth. It mostly breeds in North America and distributed in various parts of the world. It travels around 25,000 kilometers in its migratory journey. Number 7. Blue throat. Blue throat are small passerine birds who used to breed in cold climates like Alaska, though they migrate to India and other nearby countries and continents during the winter season. It travels around 6,000 kilometers as their migratory path. Number 8. Greater flamingos. Greater flamingos are one of the most beautiful things to experience in Gujarat. Ahmedabad is called Flamingo City of India for this. Its common breeding grounds are UAE. It migrates to India in a large number. It can be seen in winter at Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Khijadia Bird Sanctuary, Flamingo City, Thal. All these birds make India more beautiful, but this beauty is getting hampered day by day. The primary causes of these situations are noise pollution, increase in numbers of cell towers, global climate change, usage of chemical fertilizer, illegal poaching, and others. As per researchers, noise pollution pushes the birds to a bad fitness state and often leads to chronic stress, which is very harmful for their breeding. One of those examples is robin. The radiations from the cell tower is affecting the local birds as well as the migratory birds. It is observed that this impairs their natural sense of direction and harm their brain cells. Climate. Climate is the key factor for migratory birds. Birds change their habitats as per the ecological conditions. And here climate change affects them the most. This affects migratory routes of them, flight orientation, flight type, departure and stopover decisions, and intensity of their migration. Decrease in population of the birds are directly connected to the usage of pesticides and some chemical fertilizers. Agricultural fields are the main source of food for them, where they become the victims of their own doings. In 2013, it was reported the 3 different types of nicotinoids can reduce egg size and fertilization rate in red-legged partridge. A 2015 study that found imidacloprid treated seeds can kill red-legged partridge and reduce their offspring immunity. From the same researchers involved in a new study of 2017 found that imidacloprid impacted white-crowned sparrows' orientation during migration. This image shows the harmfulness of the pesticides and the chemical fertilizers. Now moving to the next slide. Poaching. Poaching is considered as the biggest threat to the migratory birds. Many bills were passed by various governments to stop this, but it is still going on and pushing lots of species in the direction of extinction. It is noticed that 94% of bird extinction happens because of poaching. Great Indian bastards are one of the greatest examples of them. Other factors like water pollution, usage of nylon nets in agricultural fields, throwing harmful things here and there, usage of plastic products without proper recycling, lack of food and water due to high civilization rate, etc. are also the cause for affecting their lives. As a consequence of all this, we are losing biodiversity in a huge rate. A large portion of travel and tourism industries is running on this ecosystem full of biodiversity. Bird watchers and jungle adventurers comes from various places just to enjoy this beautiful blessing. The more birds and nature will be hampered, the more birds and nature will be hampered, the more it will create a touristic downfall. So we must have to think about how to prevent all these things. There are 7 actions that can help a lot to prevent this situation. Number 1, we have to start drinking shade-grown coffee. We have to use lesser plastics. More citizen science campaigning should be organized to our local people about the local environment. People should make safer windows. Windows with reflecting glasses diverts birds and it creates severe accidents which can be lead to a fatal condition for them. We should keep our pet cats indoors so that they can't attack the guest birds. We should plant more native plants in our houses or in our gardens. And we should all use organic fertilizers instead of pesticides. We should ban these pesticides from our daily life. We also have to spread awareness to the people. We have to aware local peoples about these facts and convince them not to capture those rare guest birds in cages. We have to aware the farmer about the bad effects of pesticides and convince them to use more biofertilizers. Now, handing over to Yogita for concluding the presentation.
Thank you, Shukanta. Now going to the conclusion, we can conclude that birds migrate to survive. Birds have adapted themselves for migration, either short or long distances. This project is meant to increase the awareness among all. It is meant to highlight the importance of birds in our environment. It also shows how human activities are harming birds. We can conclude that birds are very important for our biodiversity and even for the very survival of human beings. They play a vital role in different ecosystems and different tropic levels. We also get to know that people want to protect birds if more awareness is spread among them, but due to the lack of awareness, birds are in danger. There are many national parks, sanctuary, and bioreserves for protection of birds. If we can do so, we can keep our earth decorated with the most beautiful, most musical, most admired, most watched, and most defended creatures, and they must be saved and conserved. Next, moving to the reference, we have collected the data from internet and various other news articles. Pics are from Unstash, Getty Images, Shutterstock, Googles, and others. Courtesy. Thank you to our sir for giving us this project. We had a wonderful time by doing this project and we get to know about many different things. And lastly, thank you to all for listening us. And I thank you to my fellow teammates for their patience and hard work to make the presentation. Last, let's hope for a beautiful and safe earth for everyone. Peace and thank you. And here is the end of our presentation.